What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful quartzite grey metallic Porsche Cayenne SUV that we have right in front of us. But the beautiful part is that they have this finish right on top. Of course, for camping purposes, if you wish to, you can just make your way up, go and stay right there. But it's nice that they have this on display right here at the showroom, so that people can actually know that you can actually use this car for a purpose, for camping purposes. Especially, it's a petrol car. Petrol tank is right here. Love the wheels that are parked right down there. Bright finish alloy wheels. Absolutely amazing. So let's start off at the front and take a look at the lights, shall we? So you do get these dark finishes which are matte texture-like finish on the inside with a little bit of this shiny stuff on this gloss black finishing. Love the Porsche wording right there, if you can see it. Now I'll turn on the DRLs in a while more to show it to you guys, but love the matte finishing that's happening all over the side. Front lights at the top right here. Now for the bottom, you do get your amazing aggressive looking front bumper with all these gloss black finishes happening all over the side right here, including right here. But your lights are actually on this side, so these are your main signal indicators together with your main LED lights that actually light up. So the bottom piece right here, grayed out finish. Love the metallic finish along the whole side of the bumper, even at the side as well. You do get some amazing matte finish, texture like finish at the bottom here, including at the side right here, so very cool. Love the grills in this gloss black finish that happens all the way, including with some pieces right here together with your 360 camera right in the center here also as well. Tow hook goes right there. You do get your sensor located down here as well, so that's kind of cool. Your bottom piece with some airflow happening on this side. Then your number plate is right here in the center as well, so that's kind of cool. Of course, this car is at Porsche R Damansara, so you guys need to see it. You know where to go if you're in Malaysia. But yeah, amazing lines right on the hood, even right here as well, including on the side right here as well, so very cool. Love the grey metallic with the badging which is in this goldy finish. Porsche Stuttgart, amazing, man. I like how it looks. So now let's move down to the side of the wheels. You got your bright finish alloy wheel that we have right here. Amazing solid disc brakes for the rear. You got your Porsche wording right at the caliper right there, so that's kind of cool. Tire size 255/55 R 20-inch. They're using hand-cooked tires down here. Very nice. Amazing bright finish wheels for a dark car like this. Now you do get your matte texture-like finish for the bottom that goes across all the way down and continues all the way at the side right there. Very nice indeed. So for the mirror, side mirrors, you have it in your body color, which follows the body color down here. You got the side pillar right here, so that's kind of cool. And you do have your the matte texture like finish for the side mirrors as well, together with some gloss black happening all over the side right here that goes all the way to the back, comes all the way to the front, so that's kind of cool. Now your door handles are also in this metallic finish, so let's first open it up. Let's take a look with the interior. Now you do have amazing finish of a red interior. Love the red leather that goes around it, including the top right here in this black finish. Absolutely stunning. You do have your unlock, your lock buttons, 3 memory seats. Love the handle right here to open up the doors with some rough texture like finish for the side right here. You do have a place to keep some stuff, I believe, but mainly your handle to hold, to pull, to close the door is over this side. Window adjustments here. Compartment storage down here together with your Bose sound system. Amazing. Love how the door looks like on this side, guys. Check it out. Now let's take a look at the inside part right here. You do have your beautiful red leather seats, electronic seat adjustments on this side right here together with your leg extensions. Very cool indeed. And the Cayenne wording down here. Love how they covered it up. Very nice, protected. Porsche wording right there on the carpet. Superb. So now let's have a seat right in and take a look. Beautiful texture like finish for the center all the way down to the passenger. Love the leather dashboard that's happening at the top. Love the grey stitching goes around it. The air vent, it's damn cool, man. I like the design of this. The fan to turn it off and turn it on. I like the red at the bottom, black at the top, so that's kind of cool. This is a very gloss black finish. I don't believe this is a screen, but I know that this is a screen, but I'm not so sure. Maybe this could be having some ambient lighting or whatnot. But you do get your red glove compartments down here as well, so that's kind of cool. Air vents right here as well. You got your hazard lights, your traction control. This, I believe, should be some wireless charging that happens down here together with your 2 Type-C connectivities if you wish to. Climate control adjustments together with your radio and whatnot for you to adjust. Down here you have some other small compartment storage that we have together with the cup holder, and also this should be, yep, this should be the similar cigarette stuff, I guess. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, underneath here, compartment storage once again, amazing storage space, some light popping in, very nice. Let's close this down. Love the Porsche wording right there. You know, it's very cool, man, dude. Climate menu. Maybe it's gonna light up in a while more, who knows. But yeah, we gotta open up the driver door to see some stuff over there, so that's kind of cool. Love the clock that you have right here. Frameless mirrors, you got your lights, SOS call button. Very nice indeed. So fabric lining at the top, you got your mirrors right here for you to see some stuff, see yourself. Fabric lining all over the top, man, dude. Including the side pillar right here also as well. Very nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. Love the red seats. I'm wearing maroon, I guess. Very nice. So now let's take a look at the rear. And we won't be opening up this door fully because you know why, the stairs are actually here, so let's leave it at that. So let's take a look at the rear doors. You get this texture-like finish on this side, gloss black finishing on this side. Love the black satin kind of finish right here. Love the unlock lock as well. Window to wind up and wind down. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Bose speaker system right here. Compartment storage down there. Leather finishing happening all over the place. The door looks superb, man, dude. I love it. Cayenne wording at the side plates here. Amazing space for the interior that we have right here. So this is a socket, I believe, for you to clip on maybe an iPad holder or some sort of things that you can actually store and keep to be displayed right here. So very nice indeed. Net goes right here. Love the red interior, man, with the seat belts. Absolutely nice. Carpets are quality. So now let's hop right in and take a seat. Legroom is fantastic. Love the amazing texture-like back. Advent adjustments, of course, climate control will be electronically adjustable. You got your Type-C connectivities. I believe this should be, yeah, some sort of storage place to keep some stuff, I guess. I'm not really quite sure. Advents, love the view that's in the center. Beautiful layout. Roof lining in this fabric line finish. Handles, air vents right here as well, so that's kind of cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seat. You got your beautiful seatbelt in black. The Bose speaker sound system is even at the side as well. You do get some amazing cup holders right here, cool. Let's push that back up and let's try and hop right into the center. So this is me sitting comfortably at the center. Headroom is good, I feel good. View at the center is amazing. The red interior really helps a lot. I love the red. So down here, let's open up. Cool. So let's take a look at the rear, man, dude. Amazing layout. Love the top right here, man. Damn, go camping in this kind of car is damn cool, man, dude. So okay, so we have the Porsche wording right here, the bright finish kind of one with the Cayenne wording right down there. Love the red brake lights that we have on this side right here, so that's absolutely stunning. Love the reflectors that we have, matte finish at the bottom here. Love the exhaust pipes on this side. So-called aggressive looking rear diffuser, very nice indeed. Cayenne wording, 360 camera for the rear. Another camera right, another exhaust pipe right there, so it is kind of cool. I like it. Brake lights are located right here. Doesn't come with a glass roof at the top, but you do get your railing right here, because why? You gotta hook the branded itself Porsche so-called camping stuff. I'm not sure how do I set it up, but obviously there'll be a owner's manual that come with it. Love the wording that comes on the petrol cap also as well. So let's open up the boot to show you guys the space that's hiding underneath. So what's underneath here, guys? Let's take a look. So boot space is fantastic. Down here, let's open up and see what we have. You got your compartment storage with your tire repair kit and yeah, your other tools that you need in order for you to get your car sorted. So it doesn't come with a spare wheel, but it comes with the repair kit, the gel, the tire compressor and things like that, guys. So amazing other storage space that you can use. At the same time, you get your Bose sound system subwoofer, I believe. Love the layout. You do get your first aid kit over there. Love the net that we have right here. Rear seats you can fold down if you wish to. This you can actually hook on if you want to. to not let the viewers from the outside see what's on the inside. Now let's fold the seats right down to show you guys the space that you guys actually can get with a car like this. Let me see, where would the seat folding happen? Let me just see, am I missing something? Let me see. Or can the seats actually not be folded? Cool, so yeah. I was wondering where was the handle to actually pull it down, because I cannot seem to locate them at the seat here, because they are right here. Amazing. So let's try that out once again. On this side, let us take a look. This one right here. Cool, so it clips. Cool, man. See? Very nice indeed, nice. So that whole piece, this one right here, you can actually take it off, this whole railing. So can you imagine? You can even store bigger boxes inside to make it look even more spacious. Beautiful, man. I like it. Very nice. So now let's move to the front of the driver side of things. So open that door back up, handle right here. Amazing layout. And take a look at the doors once again. So you do get your gloss black finish on this side. You get some amazing texture-like finish on this side. Love the satin finish for the door handles. You got your memory seats. You got your unlock, your lock. You have your boot opening, your boot closing. Sorry, this is opening, this is closing. You got your window for the back, window for the front. Child lock for the rear windows. At the same time, you get your side mirrors to fold, side mirror adjustment. Compartment storage down here. Love the texture-like finish of a leather finish. Very beautiful, man, dude. Bose sound system. Door once again looks spectacular. Love the red. Cayenne wording right here. I love the finishing. Porsche wording down there, the carpet. Brake pedals, accelerator pedals in this black finish. You got your lighting adjustments here. We will turn them on later. Air vents right here. Start button or not is over there. So that's kind of cool. Love it, man. Steering wheel is fantastic, dude. Okay, so I love the view coming from the back. Can you see my hand right there? Not sure if you guys can see it, but can you see it? You can see through the steering. So these kind of touches are fantastic, man. Love the Porsche badging. I can actually feel it. That's cool. Driving mode, I like I can rotate it. Settings that you can choose from, answering the call, and other things that you can toggle through. Horn is right in the center. Pedal shifts, guys. Damn, negative, positive, metal-like finish. Love how cold it is. Wiper adjustments on this side. Your start button is right here. Your parking light together with your signal is over there, together with your cruise control and your speed and whatnot for you to control is all here. Steering adjustments, electronically adjustable. Nice, very smooth, very cool. Climate menu, control. These are all cool. These are buttons to actually touch. So we go X, system, nope. Hang on. Let me see if I can go back to the main screen. Without QR code. Can I just exit? Here we go. There we go. Okay, cool. So, amazing screen layout that you guys have. You got to go up and down. So, depending on what type of car you're actually with. So, other assistant settings, I believe. Yeah, I believe the best thing that we can do right now is with the car turned on, we can do plenty of other stuff. If not, we will be seeing the basic stuff, I believe. So, audio, media, yeah. I think the best thing that we can do is if the car is on, then we can see tons of other stuff. But nevertheless, I love the clock once again. I like how it's like, you know, it's just rolling, man, dude. That's kind of cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Love how this feels, man, dude. Steering is good. Solidness, the finishing of it. How thin it is. It's nice to hold on to. Seat belts once again, black. Love the roof. The color of the interior, the color is helping a lot, man, dude. I love it. So nevertheless, like right now, let's turn on the DRLs. So that's how you do it for a Porsche. Let's take a look. Once again, I love the exterior part and also what we have at the bottom here. So let's take a look, man, dude. Let's get a nice cover photo for the front. This is what we are looking at, and this is an amazing piece of what we can actually see. DRLs, as I mentioned earlier, I like how it's like this with the lines, kind of cool. Let's check out the rear to show you guys how amazing the back looks like. Once again, love the red, the black, and then the gray. And then let's push this down and see what's hiding here. Beautiful layout, man, dude. Beautiful brake lights that we have, how it's linked on across straight all the way to this side. Beautiful, dude. You see what I mean? The light that's coming in from the outside really helps a lot. Now let's also take a look at the hazard lights on this side, where you actually have it at the side mirrors right here on this side, so that's kind of cool. And for the front of the car, just like how the DRLs were on earlier, now they're located right here, so they automatically go off and straight away they are in this particular zone. That looks really good, man, dude. Once again, I love the red, love the top part, love the bright wheels. I like what I see here at the back also as well. So see how it's just halfly cut like that, it goes all the way down. Love this texture-like finish, man, dude. This texture finish is so beautiful, man, dude. Amazing. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Porsche cars, do head down to their place here all the way in Sime Darby, Area Damansara, where you can locate this car, that car, and many more other gorgeous cars hiding all over the place, man, dude. They have plenty of pre-owned selections all the way up there as well. So thank you guys for watching and see you.